In this video I'm going to be reviewing Autoglym's Polar Mitt. Now you may know, if you've watched my previous videos, I do like my sponge. I really do understand that using a sponge can create swells and marks on the car. But for the last 50 years I've been washing cars with sponges. So it's quite difficult for me to actually break the habit. Okay, stay tuned to the end of the video and I will give you my verdict on the wash mitt. Do I keep the wash mitt or do I keep my sponge? Find out later on. But until then, let's have a look what you get in the box. Okay, so obviously you get the mitt, and reading from the box it says the mitt is a soft and plush polyester microfiber cotton warp weave which is highly absorbent. So we're going to test that out later on. It has a sewn in centre seam which increases mitt control. Exactly what I need. It does also come with a dual purpose bag to make washing and storage simple. So I will be testing this out in the washing machine later on in the video. Okay, it's that time. Let's give the wash mitt a go. Okay, got the wash mitt. Let's do this. So what did I think of the wash mitt? Well, let's take a look how well it performed. The wash mitt really does feel like a quality product. It's absorbent and holds a lot of water, making it glide effortlessly over the surface of the car. The mitt has a piece of webbing in the centre which really helps your fingers grip the mitt, giving you lots of confidence that it's not going to come off in your hand. After I washed the car, I put the wash mitt into the supplied bag and washed the mitt in the washing machine. It really did come out like new. Okay, so on to the score. I don't have anything else to compare it with. This is the first mitt I've used. So I'm not going to give it a score this time, but let me know in the comments about other mitts, what you've used, and what I can compare it with. And then I could probably gauge it and give it a score. If I was going to give it a score today, it's got to be a solid 9/10. So yeah, I'm really impressed with it. So the main question, am I going to replace my sponge? Yeah, absolutely. Sponge is going and the mitt's here to stay. That's it, that's this video. Please like and subscribe if you've not already done so. I really do appreciate it and it will grow the channel. So until the next one, I'll catch you then.